You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is r equal or smaller than 1.5. Let's solve it step by step. Swap sides. Isolate the r. Divide both sides by negative 0.8. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the arithmetic. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is r equal or smaller than 1.5.